No! Have you ever tried to start your chainsaw only to flood it? And then it takes forever. You gotta pull the plug out, dry the plug off, do all this different stuff to get it to start. I've got some very simple tips that'll help you avoid this. The starting lever on your chainsaw has 4 different modes: full choke, partial choke, no choke or run, and then there's the off position. To start the chainsaw, you hold and depress the gas, push down to full choke. That's your first step before you even pull the cord. The safest way to start your chainsaw is to place it on the ground. Place your foot in the hole as you start it. You need to follow the safety ways. I'm going to start it the way I always start it, which is holding it up, because for an old crusty man like me, it's just easier to do it standing up. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to grab the gas, push it down, and put it into full choke mode. Then I'm going to pull it until I hear it fire. It fired on the first go around. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to push this up to the half choke. Okay, now I will pull until it starts. Pushing it all the way up puts it into the off position. Very simple, very easy. If you follow that, it'll work every time. If you keep pulling it while it has the choke in full position, after it barks at you, you will flood it. If you found this video to be helpful, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Also, you can subscribe to our channel for more DIY tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. As always, doing things yourself allows you to save money and, most importantly, be free. See you in the next project. Safest way to start your chainsaw is to place it on the ground